Hey, it's me, Kylie. I'm just finishing up this drawing. Don't look yet. Okay, actually, it's not just one drawing, it's two drawings. I made us an airplane. Spot the difference. See if you can find 5 differences between these two drawings and then stick around to figure out how to draw this yourself and do some practicing. Here we go. Timer's about to start. Ah! Here we go. Have you found any yet? You are doing great. You have good eyes. Time's up. I wonder if you found them all. Let's check. Number 1. This sun looks very happy. Number 2. This bird, though, looks pretty lonely. Number 3. Much cloudier day on this side. Number 4. Looks like this airplane has tinted windows. And number 5. This airplane also has custom back wings. Look at those stripes. Good job, everybody. Now let's draw it. Here's how to draw this airplane if you want to draw your own at home. I'm going to start with a little circle. This will be the nose of the plane. Then I'm going to draw a line that's a little curvy and up. Kind of looks like the stem of a cherry. This will be the cockpit of our plane, so let's add the window for our pilot to look out of. Awesome. Now I'm going to draw a straight line all the way back and a little diagonal. Time for the far wing. 2 diagonal lines that are parallel, which means even if they went on forever, they would never cross. Round off the end, and then continue that wing down here for the closest wing to us. Round out the end. Cool. Now we'll add our last wings back here that we can see. And then add a line on the very bottom all the way across to the front. Sweet. Some circles for passenger windows. Maybe a nice cloud. Maybe there's a sun over here today. Little bird. Color it in however you want. This was so fun to play a Spot the Difference game with you and learn how to draw airplanes together. If you want to draw and make more things with me, subscribe to this channel, Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. I'll see you soon.